welcome back to OZARKS Mountains Outdoors. Me and my wife are back again, hunting for squirrel. As you can see right here, I'm still wearing red because it is still rifle season, and this is November 28th. It is still youth season, so by law, even on private land, I have to wear blaze orange. Nhớ rồi nó giờ cái tiếp phong dư. Nó nói chỉ có nếu là cái tôi nào đó nó nói chuyện cho lúc xưa tôi mới lưu đồ mình ở giàu chỉ có số tôi nào cho đi cho liền nữa. Today I'll be using, as always, my Impact.22 Kao 600mm barrel with the side shot phone cam, and later on I'll be using my ATN, and just to compare the difference between ATM and the side shot, the video qualities, and let's see if we could get some squirrel this morning. It is very chilly. Takilana, nhưng nó hình kuyoshi kulu side shot nó there image thì kuyoshi kulu ATM scope mu tua nào thế sẽ lu side shot là lu ATM scope lu từ ấy trong đó nè bỏ trong đó phần nơi mà đi đâu này sẽ chỉ xe do nó chơi từ cũ chơi phế bài nè. Alright guys, come along with me and let's see if we can get some squirrel. Alright guys, there's 2 squirrel down there. They're on the ground. One is up on the tree, so let's be careful. Go slowly. Alright guys, I just shot 2 squirrel, one over here and one down there. It's probably like a 40 to 60 yard shots, so stay right there. I'll go grab it. Alright. Alright guys. There you go. Here's 2 gray squirrel. First one I shot it right here, and the second one shot it right there. So, yep, 2 gray squirrel in the bag to start with. Alright, Jacatina. Tôi là ở tụi nà cho ít tụi nhỏ đi có cho chi do ít tụi nhỏ đi vô cho chủ do đã thế đó thì cho sẽ đi chả nè. Alright guys, we've been lucky wearing these yellow shirt or vest. Yeah, the squirrel, man, they see you, they run, so it's gonna be mostly long shots. Hopefully I get some close-up shot, but yep, let's see what happens. The day's still young, and guys, gals, let's see if we can get some more. Alright, nhớ rằng là giờ cái tin à, chia sẻ rồi trong đi cha, short cái sai đó. Ok, buồn lắm. Right guys, I just shot another squirrel. I believe it's a gray squirrel, so I'll go pick it up. This would be the 3rd squirrel, okay? Alright guys, it's a nice gray squirrel, and it's a hard shot right here. It's a beautiful fat gray squirrel. It's about I believe like 45 to 50 yards down. Okay, giờ cái tin á, là các tôi lấy tụi nào tụi nó cho tôi cho kia họ cho nó giờ chết đá học bị chết đá nó nhở. Mình nhớ liệp cho một đôi chơi giờ thì tụi nó tụi thi bên á. Alright guys, let's see if we can get some more. And yep, this is the 3rd squirrel right now. Well guys, oops, I forgot to press record. But I hit that squirrel over there though. Let's go pick it up. Oh, that sucks. Okay, come on.
Kao, Kao. Cho sư xia xổ na. Dừng sát tỏ. The same tree. The same tree, but the other side, the other side na. Oh, con gì? Sát tỏ. You see? Số na. Sườn khiến đông số à. Nhân dân sát tỏ, đừng có sát tỏ na. Không mà. I did.
Alright guys, here's the one that I shot. It's a headshot, but I forgot to press record. It's a beautiful headshot though, but damn. Okay, tolai ito na. Kuchinya ka press record la, ye to tay to ho. Nunyali ito yo de. And right guys, my wife saw one over there, but for some reason it probably ran into a dam, so we didn't get it. And let's see if we could get some more. Mọi thứ nhất bé đó là ta chỉ mà này kén cái khó là, cũng chỉ bỏ là. Mỗi tổ ta cũng chỉ bỏ, cũng bỏ ít tổ số gì, này kia đi là, chia sẻ bé tổ vào to. Okay, alright guys.
What is it? No, that's a different one.
Alright guys, I shot this fox squirrel. It's just right there. And you will see through the scope cam. It's sitting like this. There's a whole bunch of twigs in the way, so I shot it through the heart. I thought I didn't die, so it ran across. matter of second it dropped. Alright, fox squirrel right here. Cho cái tí nữa, tôi lấy tôi nào không từ là thằng đây cũng trọ tôi khó một sinh này à, tôi trâu nữa đấy chỉ mà xả từ nên chỉ tôi nó chè, anh họ in theo thằng đây giờ không có rồi, thừa tôi lọt rồi, không có cả, chè, right.
Tôi đi thế mấy tôi đi sao tàu ra.
Ready? Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Tôi đi sao cậu vậy? Mấy tôi đi sao tàu?
Did he get stuck up there again?
Oh, yeah.
There it is. There it is. Let me get another shot. There you go.
Ủa yêu? Còn trên đâu hết bây giờ?
Bring it over here, buddy.
I got the other one too. I did.
Got it? Got it before?
Yes.
Tripod. No, I got it. Tripod. Sorry, guys. I got it. I want to shoot his head. That's why. Yeah, that's the first shot.
Oh, there you are. We shot actually 3 squirrel. Okay, so here's the first one that I shot. That my buddy was over there, and he's the landowner and also my best friend. and I just shot another one up there, and as we were picking this squirrel up right here. So let me go get it. There you go, another fox squirrel. 3 fox squirrel right there, 2 fox squirrel. And I shot one off camera because my camera ran out of battery when me and my friend was here, so I just got my camera charged. So giờ cái tí nữa, bắt ta thổi ưu tô của tụi phong như mình cả nó nè, ưu tô lại auto, ta chỉ mà cú lu không tay ho đua nửa tô này à, thì vừa đã cảm ơn đua rồi ta chỉ mà bây giờ của tôi ít thôi nó thôi ạ, em mất kill shot này sai sao? Okay, so guys, when my camera died, I re-energize it. Off camera, I shot a squirrel on top of that tree right there. I shot it 2 times, so the second time hit him, it's down there. Let me go pick it up. Got it. Oh, don't tell me this one got stuck again too. Okay, there it is. Guess I... Alright guys, 3 fox squirrel, big fox squirrel right here, okay? 3 big fox squirrel, and all headshot too, all 3 of them. Alright guys, catch you in a bit, okay? See if we can get some more. Oh, I dropped one. Alright guys, just as we pick up those 3 squirrels, there's another one up there on that tree. So let's see if I could take this one down.
You got it?
Yeah, it's
Okay, drop it. Sound good.
Yeah, it's coming down. Alright guys, I think the first shot I did, I think it's me, I pulled that shot. And then I took the second shot and hit him and it dropped. So, yep, I will be right back. Alright guys and gals, for some reason it was sitting like this. I pulled it so it went a little bit low, hit the stomach. It went up and then I hit it right in the armpit. So it brought him down. So matter of seconds only, guys. So it died humanely. So anyway, this is the fourth squirrel in that one area right there. I guess they were eating walnut. So yep. Okay, chào cái tin à, của tôi đây. Ít thùng gì là tụi nó tụi tiếp lo thấp hỏi gì của tôi nó, rồi ngồi đi của cho lại rồi của chen lại. Thì thọ thì ở gì của tôi cho khỏi cho. Thì này tên lì bông nè. Okay, chạy đi nó nè. Look at that, big fox squirrel. All right.
Alright guys, gals, I just got another fox squirrel. It's a big one too. Alright, let me see. Okay, I gotta put in another one. Yep, he's gone. The reason why I shoot him again, I could feel the muscle tighten when I grab him. So yep. Bây giờ cái tin nữa, mình đã cắt to đấy, tôi nó không tưởng gì đấy. Mình tôi chỉ cũng lông ít phỏng gì đâu này là. Yep. As always with my FX Impact, and This is the reason why I love shooting airgun, is because it's very quiet. And yeah, I guess it's getting late right now. This will be the last squirrel, so we got our limits. We've been here like for 2 days now, so we have the total of 20 squirrel in possession, but we ate about 5 squirrel within those 2 days, so we'll be bringing back like 15 squirrel for friends, and also for families. It's because of this COVID-19, so we just give it to friends or family that they love to eat squirrel, that are having difficult time. Tina, yeah, one nana. We to like nengo to na ro no, yeah, from the Missouri limit. Actually, more cheato, one knowledge, choco cheato, you have boom or your phone you there. Cho anh nhìn dễ xin dễ là họ tấu nọ thế. Chỉ đi nó nữa. Thì đi chào phía mà xin chỉ đùa lại video channel. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you at the next video, okay? Until then, stay safe and be careful now during the winter time of this pandemic, okay? Alright, until then, see ya.